Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see how we can remove our file. Well, at first, before we remove our file, we need to solve which file we have. Which file ls, I write it wrong or not. I don't really remember, but let's say git help another time. And in the help, we can find how to see all the files, but it's not important. Before using that, we need to delete all the files. How we can delete the files? What did remove function? You can delete the file from your repository. How? Write git dot rm and then file name. For example, we go with hello.py. You see the hello.py is here in our files, here in our project, and I want to delete it. Let's write it. The following file has local modification. It says that you didn't save the changes. You want to delete this thing and the file is open. We write F to force it. You can write F to force removal. We write git rm/f to hello.py, and when we go to our git project, you see the file has been deleted. Also, you can remove the file by directory. You can write a directory here, for example this directory, and it deletes every file in the directory. Cannot remove its directory. You can remove file by directory. If you want to know how, you just write git/help rm. It's not working. Okay, git rm/help. You see, it has also a function to remove the file, remove directory, all the files in the directory. You can find it from here, but it's not important because it's not useful. Also, you can remove two files by using git rm and then write two files, for example help.py and another file here. It's remove all of them. You see, now we remove the another file also. Okay, I hope you understand how to remove files. Until the next video, have a nice time.